day of school, and and I'm going to next year. I'm going to grade 5, and my sister is going to high school. Serene.
And me, I'm going to
kindergarten.
Yeah.
Yes, Sally's going to school next year.
I'm so excited.
We are all very excited, Sally.
So guys, since Serene graduated, so Mom, you want to tell them what?
Sure, we're going to surprise Serene
With a special thing. Wait, let them guess first. It's a truck and it has ice cream all over it.
What?
It's ice cream truck. So guys, we're going to get an ice cream truck for her and I'm going to be in it.
Yeah,
I'm
me
gonna stop with some
too.
ice cream.
Okay, so we're going to surprise Serene with that because it's her, you know, her last day of school and she's going to high school. And after, yeah, we're gonna surprise her. There's another surprise. Stay tuned, guys.
Okay, so I'm just.
So the ice cream is gonna be here in a bit.
I'm gonna check too.
Cause I hear it.
How about you, Sally?
I hear it.
Yeah, the ice cream truck is here. Look, guys. Okay, are you gonna call Serene now or in a bit?
In a bit.
Okay, look at the ice cream truck. Yay! Sally, look! We got the ice cream truck! Yay! Okay. Thank you. Okay, what are you gonna say? It's Serene's graduation!
Yes, congratulations, Serene. Ice cream, ice cream. Come with your ice cream.
Go on, Sally.
Ice cream, ice cream. Come with your ice cream.
Yay!
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go call her. So
Come on, let's go. Go, go, go. Stay there, Sally. Okay.
Serene, 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 Serene,
Serene.
Serene.
Yeah?
Ah! Whoa! It's an ice cream.
Congratulations!
Look at Sally. She's the worker.
So they decided to get you the ice cream truck
Okay.
because of your graduations. Get inside, Deema. Okay. So what would you like? Sally, ask her. What would you like?
Let's get like this. So many treats.
Can I get a small vanilla and chocolate ice cream? Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Can I also get a dipped in chocolate?
Dipped in chocolate. Please, yeah. Yummy. Since Serene loves ice cream, so Sally and Deema decided to get her the ice cream truck. Thank you. Okay, Deema, what would you like?
Can I have
Come on, Sally.
a banana boat?
It's banana split. Look, guys.
So cool.
You like it? Yeah. That's nice. Where's Daddy? Daddy too is gonna order something. Would you like?
Yes.
What would you like?
We're gonna get the SpongeBob one.
Yummy.
This one, right?
Okay.
It's really good, the SpongeBob.
Since Daddy loves SpongeBob, so.
Let's hope it looks like SpongeBob.
Okay. Yummy. Look at this banana boat.
I wanted to get Crybaby extra sour.
Okay, here you go. Be careful.
Whoa.
Thank you, Sally. Okay.
I'll have the SpongeBob one. Yeah.
Whoa.
Thank you, Sally. Whoa.
So mommy will get the cartwheel. Can I have the cartwheel? Yeah.
Can I go inside?
Yeah, for sure. 1 minute. Sally. Thank you. What would you like, Sally? The crybaby? Okay. Is it yummy, Deema? Yeah?
This is whipped cream.
Yummy. How about you, Serene? Wow! This is so cool! So, Serene, did you enjoy your surprise? Yeah? How about you, Sally?
Bye guys! We hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. And don't forget to comment down below. How did you like it?
Alright, bye-bye, guys! This is in your dreams, Serene. It's not.
I'm so scared.
Close your eyes. Wait, 3, 2, 1, go!